Okay. So, my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all on our platform that speak in English with non-native English speakers. And now we have started something new. Learning English, not speaking English. Okay. So you all know, you have seen my so many videos with the native English speakers, with non-native English speakers. And I have shared my personal experience with all people, how Sanskrit students became an English teacher. I always shared my incident happened with Jet Airways, why I started learning English, but I never shared with anybody how I started learning English.
Yes.
In 2001, when I realized the importance of English, and I started learning English in 2001. Before that, I never studied English, even though I didn't know how to read English properly. I had a problem of reading English also. So in Ahmedabad, I started learning English, and one manager of one, roadways company, he observed me. You have been learning English. I have observed you, but it's not proper method, whatever you are learning. So I want to help you. Okay. So he just taught me 3 days. And after that, I realized that English is a piece of cake. So what he taught me, then I realized English is piece of cake. English is very easy to understand. Before that, it was my biggest enemy. English was my biggest enemy before 2001. Because of that, I faced many problems. So just he cleared basic concept. What is English and what should you understand before learning English? So that's why yesterday I started teaching you the basic concept of English. So if you understand this basic concept, then English will be easy for us. We will make few grammatical mistakes after that. So that's why I have chosen this topic to share with you. And in my teaching, Rushi knows that I always start with revision. I never start anything new.
Yeah.
So today also I want to start with revision, and yesterday we started with auxiliary verbs. So I want to know from you about auxiliary verbs. So Anuj, can you tell me about auxiliary verbs? Then after that I will ask this question to Rushi. He will explain everything. Your audio
Your
is
mic,
off,
your mic
Anuj.
is.
Hmm.
Sorry. Uh, Auxiliary verb, we call auxiliary verb as a helping verb, and in auxiliary verb, we sh we show there is a action which is continue. Like example, I am reading a book.
Okay, so that is only the one auxiliary verb, to be.
Yes, sir. Yesterday we read about this. So
Okay,
there is also
yeah, I explained only about to be. That's why I taught passive. That was not my main topic. Passive was not my main topic yesterday. My main topic was functions of to be. Yeah, so Rushi, would you like to say about auxiliary verbs?
Yes, sir. Auxiliary verbs means helping verbs. There are two types of auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. In primary auxiliaries, to do, to be, and to have are part of that. The functions of to be are in the formation of passive voice and in the formation of passive voice is the function of to have. To be is in the formation of continuous tense, and also sometimes we use in our normal sentences. So example of this is I am playing cricket. Here I use the to be am. Now let me tell you about to do. To do is there are two and do, did, and will do. So examples of this are I will do my work tomorrow, etc. And now last but not the least, to have. In to have, has, have, and had are part of this. Here, my example of this are my father has a car. Here I used has as to have. Thank you.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, so yesterday we studied about the
Welcome,
functions of to be. In functions of to be, we studied to be is used in the passive and in the continuous tenses. Okay, so who can make 5 different examples of passive by using am, is, are, or to be only, was and were? Let's start with Papia. Papia, are you here?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So our today's meal was made by my mother, and the song is sung by my friend for Teachers' Day, and a essay was written by my sister for her teacher, and okay. My dresses are ironed by my mother, and okay, and the another one is okay. So today's shopping is done by my father. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, that's all. Okay, Santa madam also made
Okay.
nice sentences
Yes,
yesterday.
yes, yes.
That's why I would like to invite you, yeah, madam. So you can speak.
Okay, thank you. Fruits are sold here. Next one, examinations are postponed. My gold chain was snatched. People were evacuated due to flood. Corona vaccine is tested in Russia. Thank you. Hello, sir.
Sir, may I?
Hello.
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 Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have explained, sir. Can I again?
Okay, yes, you can.
Okay, sir. Fruits are sold here. Examinations are postponed. My gold chain was snatched. People were evacuated due to flood. Corona vaccine is tested in Russia.
And now
Sir, may I?
grammar is being taught on our platform. Grammar is being taught on our platform. Yeah, Subhasri.
Yeah.
Come on, Subhasri. Then I want to start a new topic.
Yes, yes. Yes, 3 sentences have been written by me, and some examples are given by a small student. I am going to be described. Is it correct, sir?
No. I am going to be described. What?
Like some sentences.
But you are subject, then you have started your sentence with subject. Then how can you say that this is passive structure?
Okay, then. Okay. Then some subject is being described.
Okay, that's all. Okay, so that's all now, and I would like to start something new, and that is a new helping verb. Can you see on your screen now?
Yes, sir. Verbs, modals, and auxiliaries.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So yesterday we started learning what is auxiliary. There are 2 types of auxiliary, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Then we started learning primary auxiliary, be. Only we explained the functions of be with am is, are, and was and were, and be is used in the continuous tense and passive structures. Today we are going to learn the function of to have. Both we are going to complete. To have. Okay, so it has two functions. Use to form the perfect tense is very easy. You have written many examples. I have been to Kerala. My mother has already cooked. And second function is used with the infinitive to indicate some kind of obligation. I had to work that day. I have to. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's all clear.
So to have has two functions. First with the perfect tenses, and second is with the have to obligation. Something is compulsory in our life, then rules and regulation. I have to wear uniform. I have to reach my school on time. We have to wear mask now. Is it clear? And tenses we know very well. That's why I don't want to focus on that topic too much. And next one is with the help of this auxiliary, actually I want to start something new. That's why I'm going a little bit faster today. And next one is do. So what is the function of do? So used to form the negative and interrogative of the simple present and the simple past. Do, does, and did. Okay. So what is the function of to do? Auxiliary verb. So it is used to make negative and interrogative in simple present and past. Do and does in the present, and past. In the past we use did. That's clear? Okay. So let's start with the to do. Okay. Present negative. If you want to make the sentence of present negative, then what we can use or what we have to use?
Don't.
Don't.
Not and does not.
Don't or doesn't. Okay, so Yogesh Mishra, I would like to request you please make 5 different examples by using do not and does not, or don't, doesn't.
It doesn't want to work with us, and I do not play cricket, and sir, we can use it in a future like will do.
No. What is your topic? Do is used to make negative sentences of present, simple present. So make the sentences of simple present negative.
Okay. So he don't play chess, and she does like watch cricket.
Yeah, that's all. Okay.
May I?
Yeah, Nidhi.
So first sentence, I don't want to go there. Sumit does not complete his work, and I do not eat the.
Have you completed 5 sentences?
So I completed 3 sentences.
Okay,
I
but
mixed
your task is 5 sentences. You have to complete 5 sentences.
Okay. So my mother does not cook the food.
May I?
Yeah.
And I don't complete my work.
Okay, so it's very easy. So what is the function
Yes.
of do? To make negative in simple present tense. What is simple present tense? We know very well. Okay, let's use our platform to make negative sentences. Okay, so we don't use Hindi and other language, regional languages on our platform. We use only English language on our platform. We don't use other languages. Okay.
Yes.
We don't insult anybody on this platform.
Yes, sir.
Anu doesn't live in Gujarat and I don't live in Delhi.
Yes.
Santa madam doesn't teach in English medium school. She teaches English, but she doesn't teach in English medium school.
Yes. Right, sir.
Yes.
Geeta madam doesn't work in a bank. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. It's all clear.
So let's make question now. So that is also the function of do and does. Question in present. And when you answer, also you can use yes I do, no I don't, yes he does, no she doesn't. Okay. So first example, I would like to ask some question to Subhas Paul. Okay. Mr. Subhas Paul, sir, are you ready to answer? Hello. Hello, Subhas Paul, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. What I have to answer, sir?
Okay. You have to answer me. I will ask you some questions by using do and does, and you have to answer me in short. Means yes, I do, no,
Okay,
I
sir.
don't. Okay. So, do you live in Tripura? Hello. Hello. Do you live in Tripura? Okay, he has a network issue, so I would like to go to
Hello?
Nageshwar, sir. Yeah.
Then, yeah, yes, sir. Okay, I'm ready, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you work in a bank, Nageshwar, sir?
No, I don't work in the bank.
Okay. Do you celebrate Baisakhi festival?
No, I don't.
Okay. Does your daughter study in English medium school?
Yes, he does.
Okay. And does your wife cook every day?
Yes, she does.
Perfect. So now let's make a pair and Mr. Sanjeev will ask some questions to Ranjana Goswami. So Ranjana Goswami will answer and Mr. Sanjeev will ask questions.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, Ranjan. Do you work in any company?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mr.
Yeah.
Sanjeev.
Do you work?
Sorry.
Are you hearing me? Hello.
Hello?
Are you hearing me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, do you work any company?
No, I don't.
Do you know how to speak English?
Yes, I know.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Sorry. Yes, I do.
Do you cook any vegetable?
Yes, I do.
Do you know how to calculate 2 plus 2?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all.
Thank you.
That's all. Okay. One more pair. Geeta madam will ask some questions to Jaya madam.
Hello. Hello, Jayaman. Hello.
Hello.
Your voice is very low.
Yeah, very low.
Uh,
Am I audible?
Yeah, Geeta madam,
Audible
please
now?
ask some questions to her.
do you,
Okay.
hello. Do you know how to cook meat?
No, I don't.
Do you go outside without mask?
No, I don't.
Do you keep a social distance in outside?
Yes, I do.
Do you use your time usefully?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And Jaya
Okay,
madam,
thank you.
does your son,
Okay, sir.
okay, does your son work in the multinational company?
No, no, sir. No, no, he doesn't.
Okay. And
No, sir, he doesn't.
okay, that's all. So that's all. Any question about do and does?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I think you don't have any question about it. Okay, actually we are working on our accuracy. Okay, we all know, but we are working on our accuracy. Okay, so now did. Okay, we are going to use did. Past negative. We are going to make 5 examples of past negative. Okay, for example, I didn't go to my village last Sunday, and Jaya madam did not attend our class last month. Anu did not make a presentation yesterday, and Yogesh Mishra did not host our program yesterday. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now this is your turn to make 5 different negative sentences. Past negative. Okay. Mr. Pankaj, are you ready? Past negative. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I didn't attend yesterday's class. I didn't go to office yesterday. I didn't eat well day before yesterday. I didn't play cricket last month. I didn't use sanitize last year.
That's all. Very good. Very good. So now Manisha from Jammu. You have done it successfully, Mr. Pankaj. Yes. So Manisha from Jammu. Now this is your turn to make 5 negative. Past
Did with
negative.
timing does.
Yeah, Nageshwar sir. Would like to share something?
Pankaj did that with timing word also he used. Perfect timing word. All sentences.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Manisha Jammu. Are you ready with 5 examples? Okay, Nityanand Barman from West Bengal. Would you like to
Yes,
make
sir.
5 examples? Yes. Past
Yes,
negative.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening to all. So my first sentence is I did not sleep well yesterday. I did not wash my clothes yesterday. And I, okay, sir.
Okay, only 2 sentences. Try to think. Train your
Okay.
brain to think in English. Okay, it is not enough.
Okay, sir. So I did not think yesterday properly, and I did not go outside yesterday before yesterday, and I did not make call anyone yesterday.
That's all.
Okay, sir.
And you can also, I did not
Yes, sir.
study in English medium school. I studied
Yes,
in
sir.
my mother tongue. You also can.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all. Okay, so
Okay.
now
Okay.
past question. We are going to make past questions by using did. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Pramod Kumar, are you ready? I will ask you some questions. Then we will make a group.
Good evening, sir.
One person will ask
Yes,
the
I am
question
ready.
and second person will reply. Okay. Okay, so are you ready to
I am
answer?
ready, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you visit Delhi last year? Did you visit Delhi last year?
No, I didn't, sir.
Okay. And did you cook yesterday?
I didn't, sir.
Okay. And did you go to market to buy something for your house?
I did, sir.
Yes, I did.
I
Yes, I
went, sir.
did.
Sorry, I went, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, I
And
did, sir.
did you get chance to speak yesterday on our platform?
Yes, I did, sir.
Okay. And okay. Did your wife watch serials yesterday?
Yes, she did, sir.
She did, sir. Okay, perfect. So you have done it successfully. Okay, so let's
Thank
make
you,
group.
sir.
Yeah, let's make group.
It's happened by you, sir, only. Because I am learning too much here, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now, yeah, Nageshwar sir will ask some questions to Anuj. Then Geeta madam also be ready, okay, to ask some questions to anybody you will choose, okay?
Okay.
Hello, what happened? Okay, so Nageshwar sir is not here. Jaya madam, can you try? Can you ask some questions to Anuj?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Whom should I ask, sir? Anuj, sir.
Anuj, huh?
Okay. Did you go to market today?
No, I did not, man. I didn't. Hello.
Okay. Did you study English medium?
No, I didn't, man.
Did you have lunch today?
Yes, I did, man.
Did you watch movie yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you watch serials?
Yes, I did.
today?
Yes, I watched.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yes, I did.
Okay. That's
Why
all. That's
over,
all.
no?
Thank you very much, Jaya madam. Thank you very much. And now Geeta madam be ready to ask questions to anybody, okay? And that's all. Okay, basic concept is all. And after learning this basic concept, we are going to use this basic concept to learn some more for the topics.
Nageshwar sir is.
Yeah, Nageshwar sir is here
Came
again.
again.
Yeah. Okay. So Nageshwar sir, please. Okay, wait. Okay, now Geeta madam will ask some questions, then you will get chance. Okay, be ready with your questions. You can ask some questions to
Okay.
Smita Bihar. Nageshwar sir will ask some questions to Smita Bihar. Yeah.
Now
Okay,
who do I ask?
Okay, you. Then Ruchi madam is available then.
Okay. Ruchi is here. Hello,
Yeah.
Ruchi.
Yes.
Did you like yesterday's class?
Yes, very much, because I missed sir teaching, sir taught us, then I feel very happy. So I like very much.
Did you go Delhi yesterday?
No, I didn't go.
Did you consult a doctor yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you tell that secret to your husband yesterday?
Yes, I told.
Okay.
Did you learn social studies yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Okay, we all have, intimacy now with each other. You know that? We all have intimacy with each other. That's why we are friendly.
Yes, sir.
That's why that type of questions are
Understanding each other.
Yeah. So main word we can use, it is the intimacy, good intimacy with each other. Yeah. So now Nageshwar sir will ask some questions to Smita Bihar.
Thank you, sir. Smita, are you ready?
Yeah, I am ready. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah, okay. Where is Nageswar, sir? Yes, now. Sir, this is your turn to ask questions. Smita madam is excited to answer.
Yes, sir. I'm very much excited.
Okay, okay. So
He
he's
went.
not
He went.
again
Can I
here.
ask?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Nageswar is back here.
Sure.
Nageswar sir is back here. Yeah.
Sir, I'm facing network problem.
Yeah.
So that's why. Smita, did you participate any cultural activity?
Sir, your voice is
Yeah,
not
sir.
coming
Really, your voice is
properly.
not clear now.
Then give chance to another one because I have some network problem here.
Okay, okay,
Hello.
okay.
Can I ask?
Okay, okay.
So I have covered all participants. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Smita, I'm really sorry now. You can ask some questions to Manisha here. Manisha is here.
Okay. Hello, Manisha. Are you ready? Hello,
Hello,
Manisha.
Manisha
Are you
Jammu,
ready?
are you here?
Hello,
Yeah. Yes, Smita, you can ask.
sir. There is some network problem.
It's okay. We all face this type of problem. But can you answer the questions of Smita, madam?
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Samita ma'am, you can ask me.
Did you study today?
Yes, I did.
Did you cook something yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you cook? Okay. Have you watched month?
What? Sorry.
The movie last month? Did you watch any movie last month?
Yes, I did.
Did you not go to market today?
Didn't.
No, I didn't.
Okay. Sir, that's it.
Okay, that's it. Okay. And we have 2 minutes left in this first session. So I would like to invite Keyur. I think Keyur has not got chance yet.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Keyur, you can ask some questions to Shanta madam then.
Okay. Did you join yesterday's session, ma'am?
Yes, I did.
Did you watch any movie last Friday?
No, I didn't.
Did you make dosa yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you celebrate Onam with your family?
No, I didn't.
Did you visit Leh Ladakh ever?
Excuse me.
Did you visit Leh? Did you visit Leh Ladakh ever?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
That's all. Don't use ever, okay? Have you ever then? You can use have you. Have you ever been to Leh and Ladakh? Have you ever been to Leh and Ladakh? Okay. So in 1 minute, I would like to request Shanta madam to explain the importance of this basic concept. And after that, I'm going to use this basic concept in my advanced topic in the second session. Yes, Shanta madam, please explain the importance of this basic concept.
Do and did, sir. So do is used in negative sentences and interrogative sentence. Do is used in simple sentences and did is used in past sentences. And I want to tell something. When we use did, that time we have to use yesterday or last year, last week. Such type of words we should use. We should not use today. So like this, I did not go to market last week. I did not watch Bahubali movie. Next, my son did not like table tennis. My husband did not like long rides. My niece did not perform in exams last year. These are the sentences. Okay, is it okay, sir?
Yeah, they're very nice. Nice, madam. Thank you very much. Okay. And dear brothers and sisters, here is the end of our first session. So we are going to back in 5 minutes in the second session.